You need to stay with us.
Workout resumed.
This is me walking the dogs. Now that we have a big dog, she has to be walked every day. If not, well, all that energy goes somewhere. She's an indoor dog, so guess what? It goes indoors. So yeah, we have to make sure she gets some of that energy out. She's a great dog, though. Isn't that right, Dixie? You. There she goes. Big old pup. Ah! Big old goofy pup. I need to do at least one more lap here. Make sure she gets a good amount of energy out. This actually feels pretty good. I took a 14-mile ride today, which is, not bad, but the part that I took it in was extremely rough for me. So, needless to say, I did I found one area on the trails that I kept missing. Well, after I found it, I was kind of sorry I did. I ended up walking up hills, probably a good third of the way, if not more. So, oh my God, it was intense. I was so freaking tired. I wanted to do 20 miles today on the trails, but yeah, that didn't happen. Especially since I'm on call this week. So at about mile 8.5, I took a break. And after, drinking water, doing some stretches, sitting around for about 5 minutes, I get a page. So I have to jump on a bridge. I didn't have to do anything, but that took a good 20, 30 minutes, whatever it took. And oh my God, getting back on was horrible.
Total distance 1.01 miles. Total time 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Burned 61 calories. Average speed 7.8 miles per hour. Split speed 7.8 miles per hour.
Woohoo! Truck passed by here and rutted it all up. Needless to say, when I got back on after my long break, it was pure hell. My legs were just on fire. And that's actually, after that is when I found that part that I had been wanting to ride, but I couldn't find. Oh, I found it then. And oh my God, it totally kicked my butt. I don't even know what color it was officially, but it was the hardest part of the trail I had ever been on. Part of it is my fitness, of course. It's not all that great. And then the other part is just not knowing exactly what's coming up next. You know, that kind of helps you plan for your descent and switching gears, which I suck at anyway, but the more I've ridden the trail, the rest of the trail, the better I've gotten at it. So I've actually already made it up a few hills that I hadn't before. So anyways, it was awesome. After I packed up my stuff, I took off in my truck, and probably not even an eighth of a mile up, I felt like my legs were going to start cramping really bad, so I had to pull over real quick and do, I guess what you call some emergency stretches, and that helped. But yeah, the burning was unreal. You know, again, somebody with more experience, it probably would have been anything, but not for me. Hence why my nickname is Fat Boy Checo here. So yeah, you know. But yeah, I am so addicted to this stuff now, it's not even funny. I love it, love it, love it, love it. That's why I was even looking forward to taking these dogs out on the run. Yesterday, I had a little bunny. I knocked off my light that I just bought, but you know, it sits on the handlebars and it's got this little clip, which immediately I thought that was kind of a bad idea because I'm, you know, I crashed quite a bit still, and when I crashed, I was pushed my whole weight onto the handlebars. So yeah, I realized after a while that my light was gone, and of course I could have taken it off for the ride since it was daylight, but you know, I'm just bad planning, I guess. And yeah, that was. So I bought some other lights at Costco, and you know, I mean, lack of creativity here, but as long as I have YouTube, I can think of anything. All I gotta do is ask the right question, right? So I got a couple of hose clamps and put on these new lights, and of course it's way more powerful than what I had. The other one was, I don't know, it might have been 50 lumens, which is, yeah, it's not good. Even this one's 350, and I can tell you, it would be nicer to have quite a bit more. Luckily, I'm just riding in the backyard, so, well, behind my backyard. So it's not that big of a deal. I can handle it. But again, I mean, yeah, the difference is quite different. It's a lot nicer. If you want to get a headlight, get a nicer one. I mean, if I wanted to get something about this strength for a bike, I got these for $3 for $12.99, I think it was. So I got 3 flashlights for that much, and they're pretty small, or small enough for me to mount on the bike. If I would have got something comparable for a bike, it would have actually been around the $20, $30 mark just for one light. So got these. They came with batteries, and I already have hose clamps at home, so worked out really nice. I like it. Like I said, I may buy something more powerful later on, but for now, this will do. I don't really plan on doing any major nighttime riding. Oh, how about I say that now? There's my dog. Gotta make sure she stays with me. She gets distracted. Luckily, she's pretty easy to see even at night. Oh, there's the Chihuahuas. I see Princess. I don't know about Ring now. Come on, pretty. Oh, no, that's a plastic bag. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? Yeah. That's like Katy Perry sings that song? Yeah, I don't. Anyways, that's it.